Hey, how's it going everyone? Don here from vrgamerdude, and today we're going to be taking a look at a new set of prescription lenses that my good friends over at VRrock just sent me for the Xreal One XR glasses. And I can't thank them enough for sending these out. You know, it's really important to be able to see clearly when you use XR glasses because, well, you're looking through them. These are kind of like sunglasses that have video screens in them. So in this video today, we're going to do a real short unboxing, not much in this box, I'm assuming. We're going to get them set up on my Xreal Ones, and then I'll give you my impressions. Let's go. All right, so I gotta say, just like I have been with every other pair of lenses VRrock has ever sent to me, I am super impressed with these. I have got a crystal clear image, edge to edge, no distortion added from the lenses, no extra reflectivity. In fact, it's actually killing some of the reflectivity with the anti-reflective coating. So I can't recommend these enough, especially for XR glasses. Like I said in the beginning, this is something you want to be able to see through. These are kind of like sunglasses with video screens. So you do have certain brands like, Rokit or VITURE that have the diopter wheels on the top and allow you to adjust that so that you can see the screen clearly. But the world behind it is still a blurry, muddy mess for most of us that have sight issues. So good pair of prescription lenses solves all of that. Now I just put these on, the screen's clear, the world's clear. It is a game changer. So if you want a set, I am going to leave a link in the description. Now, this is an affiliate link. I am an affiliate of VRrock. I do not hide that fact. I only take affiliate codes from companies that I truly believe in and use their products every day. And this is definitely one of them. So if you want to save 10% and help the channel out a little bit, please use that link. But for me, today, that's it. I'm going to go enjoy my new crystal clear XR. I'll see you in the next one. This is Don, signing off.